Visualize your body as a radiant network of cellular light, with each point glowing with gratitude. Place your hands on your chest, abdomen, or any area where you feel tension. Speak aloud to your cells. I bless you. Cells of my body, I release you from the past. Each cell is light. Each cell is life. The power of God flows in you. You are renewed, restored, and rejoicing. I am eternal youth in action. I am divine intelligence organizing all. Thank you for your work. Thank you for your loyalty. I commit to giving you thoughts of love, images of peace, and words of truth. From now on, you respond only to good. So it is, and so it shall be.